Well, you're in luck because we are currently up here freehanding a recap on this piece of pipe that's my undercut, so we can give you some pointers real quick. So what I'm going to do on this is when I'm freehanding stringers like this, I don't move my rig up and down at all. I fire up and sit there until my puddle gets the size I want, and then I just carry that. And if your puddle starts getting heavy, you drag your wire away from it and let it thin itself out. You control your puddle with your wire more than anything when you're doing this. I'm going to get down here where our tie ends are at. I'm going to fire up right here. I'm going to start moving my way, running over this wire real slowly. Not moving my rig up and down or anything. I'm just running stringer. And I'm going to drag my knuckles as I go around. So here we go. You ready?